Alright guys, so this is the progress so far going through. You see these wood is almost 100 years old. And look at these wood, look, you could see the still strong. So a lot of these wood you can salvage them and use them back in other project because you know how wood is expensive these days. So trying to get rid of them, if you have the space, put up your wood then. But this is the progress so far, day one, going up here. Alright? So I don't want to make the video too long showing you the process, but let me give you an idea of what I'm doing. This is basically what I'm doing, because I do not want to damage the wood then. So what I'm doing, I'm knocking it up like that, then I knock it back down, and I take out the wood, the nails. So while I'm demoing, I'm cleaning the wood at the same time. So once I put them down, I can also put them in a heap. Okay? I don't know how long this project gonna take, but if there's no rain, I think a week this project gonna be done. All right?